All right, walking houses. We're up early this morning. We're headed out into the great unknown, to the wild, to walk some houses this morning. We've got a client, his name's Brian, and he has got a whale on the hook. And what does that mean? Very simple. Brian drove for dollars. He hand wrote letters. Someone called him. We went out. We made an offer on a house. We got the house under contract, closed on the house, wholesaled it. Excellent deal. Everybody wins. And then the exact thing happens that we're always hoping happens with these sellers is they go, hey, I've got 30 more of these houses that I want to sell this year. And we go, whoa, well, we want to buy them all. So today we're doing that first due diligence where we found, his list of houses, and we're going out. We're going to try to walk 3, 4, 5, 6 of them today. I don't know if we're going to be able to get inside the houses, but we're going to definitely walk around outside. It's one of those sellers that's just kind of like, hey, go take a look at them and tell me what you think. Doesn't want to disturb tenants, is not really sure what he's got. And I can tell that almost all the other deals that we've done with him, he hasn't seen these houses in a while. So what he wants in his mind to get for the house is not what the condition of the house is or what anyone will pay for them. So what we've got to do is go out and actually walk around these houses, take a couple pictures and say, hey, look, we know you want 100K. We're at 70K. Take a look at the pictures and see why we're there. And that always helps. So we're headed out to see Brian this morning, hopefully get some houses under contract. All right, we are attempting to enter the house. We do not have an appointment. We came from the owner. Brian is going to do what we call a sales call, right? Look, we're here from Mr. Jimmy. We're in the process of buying the house. We're gonna walk around outside. We just didn't want to scare you. Before we buy it, we gotta poke our head inside. Do you mind if we just stick my head in for 2 minutes and walk around? Let's see if he gets any action. That's how you do it. Watch. I bet he gets in. I bet he gets in. I bet he gets in. Look, he's almost in. Ah! Come on, let's walk around outside. Let's go. Hey, that's how you do it. Showing up unannounced, being a nice guy, being honest, transparent. That's how you get the walkthrough, all right? The owner sent us out here, said, hey, if you want to buy it, go figure it out yourself. We be nice guys, go knock on the door. Hey, just tell them honestly what we're doing. The owner sent us out here. We're trying to buy the house. We got to walk through for a minute. Do you mind if we take a look? It's a yes or no. All right, notice we got a lot of foundation issues, but this is a manufactured home sitting on a finished foundation. Really nice. I don't know if you probably can't see in there. Clean crawl space. I like the small backyard. I don't like that it's not fenced. I don't like that it backs up to a swamp. You're gonna have mosquitoes, could be in a flood zone. We gotta check all those things. They got the HVACs nice and high off the ground. Great neighborhood for flipping houses, buying rental properties, wholesales. This is an absolute perfect neighborhood. We have been flipping in this neighborhood since 2016. Let's see what he got. Let's go talk to him. All right, how's it look?
It's good.
It's really good?
Inside looks good.
It's good?
Yeah, got a couple pics.
Okay, got a couple pictures. We were just talking about how that worked, right? We just walked up, we were nice, we were honest, right? Transparent about what we were doing here. We're not lying, and that works.
It worked. We're like, she's like, okay, all right. Come on in. This is the kitchen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, flooring and all that stuff. Roof seems fine. Well, on the outside it looks a little yeah, but it's good buy. What we looking like?
Oh, sit in water, bro.
Oh, no.
Lots of frogs. Sump pump's not working. Get in there and shoot that. We've got actual standing water in the crawl space.
Yeah, I see it.
Which is hardcore not to have. I think we were like 2 doors down from the house. I thought I passed it, so we just pulled through somebody's front yard. Now we got to cut the block so they don't know who we are. Yeah, so looking at that pack of houses, This is not really one that we want. We're not like head over heels in love with this one. Is this it? 2206. All right, here's a house that we don't want, but remember, we're trying to get to the seller, right? We're trying to get a whole package of houses. So when you're doing that, you might have to buy a house that you don't want, right? As long as you get it for a right price, there's always a way to get rid of it. Let's get out and take a look. All right, we're gonna take a look around the outside. Hey, HVAC looks good. It's a package unit. It's updated. I would like to see my power cables and stuff in a chase, or at least stapled to the side of the brick coming down, but not a big deal. See, see where that siding meets that?
Yeah.
I just like to take a picture of that and show them, man, all that's rotten. All right, we're back out at some more houses, walking more properties. We've just walked 3 or 4 properties. We're back out here. We're going guerrilla style back up to the front door. I like to hang out right in the front yard, so when Brian's knocking on the door, I'm gonna ask randomly, hey,
yes,
this is Jimmy. These properties, can we
Send me over here.
through?
We're looking at buying the house. My name is Brian Jordan.
They're gonna say, what? What are you talking about?
My name is Brian Jordan. Mr. Jimmy sent me over here to take a look at the house. So we're just gonna walk around. We'll be outside just kind of looking around. And if you don't mind, I want to pop my head in for maybe about 2 seconds, if that's okay with you.
A lot of people don't want us to come in, right? Because they don't want us to see the condition of their house, or if it smells like weed or something like that in there, but we don't care. What I tell people, the only thing we're looking for is to make sure there's not a tree growing through the living room, or there was a fire at some point that the landlord doesn't know about. That's what I'm looking for. Look at this, no backyard, which we like, straight up rental, low maintenance, nothing to take care of. Get back here. House looks like it's in great shape. We'll walk around the other way and see if we can't poke our head into the crawl space. HVAC looks good. All right, so I don't see any foundation issues on this house. We're gonna try to see if we can poke our head in the crawl space, because we really dry as a bone. Woo, looks good. All right, let's go walk around the outside of this one. Killed 2 birds, 1 stone. Let's check this crawl space. Pretty clean and dry, man. You know what? Just being honest, these 2 houses are worth $100K just from the outside.
Sounds pretty good. Nobody here?
I didn't knock yet.
Don't look like it.
We might as well give them a knock. Might be somebody sitting up in there.
Here. We in there.
Yeah.
We here.
Was it nasty in there?
Yeah, nasty. But other than that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It needs everything.
Yeah, you probably gonna need to.
It had that smell when you open the door. It says.
Nasty.
Rental.
You know, but you know, other than that.
Yeah.
Other than that, you're good.
Yeah.
Because I'll just say you definitely gotta replace the flooring. I think the appliances, if they work, that's fine. And both bathrooms look
They work.
relatively, you know, up to date. So I think we're good on that. Yeah, all those, I think we
All right.
go about 75.
Go back and put an offer together on that one. What about our other guy with the 3?
Across town.
Seller finance.
Yep.
Talk to him any more about that?
Talking to him this morning. Talking to him this morning. I want to go over there to his house, sit at the table.
Go.
So that's probably my next move.
You know what I would do is I'd call him and say, hey, hey, Mr. Ray, I want to come by and talk to you about a couple houses. You got a good time where I can come sit with you and sit down and talk. Old guys like that, they appreciate you coming and sitting down, looking at them face to face and doing business.
We're going to sit at the table.
Go get it done, man.
I'm going to give him a call in a little bit. He should be up now.
It's good. Good to see you.
So, yeah. All right, man. Good stuff.
Nice to see you.
We'll go from here.